All right, so we've made it over to McDonald's in Nyack, and I got myself a 4-piece McNugget and also a McRib. Again, I have no taste or smell, so I don't know what this is gonna taste like. I haven't had a McRib in years, and this is gonna be really interesting because it's probably gonna taste like smush patty of some sort. All right, do this. Oh my God. This looks like complete trash, like a disaster. Okay, I got napkins at least. Wow. So this bread is pretty pathetic. I mean, you got the onions, pickles, and some sort of, I can't smell it. I'm assuming it's like a barbecue sauce. And if I wasn't so hungry, I wouldn't be salivating right now, but I'm pretty hungry, so I guess anything would work. But it looks like, yeah, just pickles, onions, or what looks like onions, and a fake patty of crap, of pork. Can't taste. All right, so let's see. Without making too much of a mess. All right. Oh, Jesus Christ. This thing's really bad. It reminds me of like an MRE when I was in the military. Some sort of tanginess, I guess. It's what I expected. I mean, I know it's really weird for me to say that because, you know, I can't taste anything, but it's what I expected. Yeah, I don't know. Better than nothing, I guess. That COVID, tasteless COVID. All right, before I end this video, I'm gonna try a nugget with some barbecue sauce. You know, technically I shouldn't be eating in this car because, like, I just cleaned it. And also I don't eat in my car. Totally forgot. But whatever, I guess. I'll make it an exception for today. All right. Barbecue sauce. Let's try this without. You know, it tastes like, on a scale of like -10 to 10, with 0 being neutral, this tastes like a, and by 1 to 10 I mean, like, you know, from salty to sweet, I guess. I guess salty, well, let's just say salty would be in the negatives and sweet would be in the positives. So this would be more like a, it tastes like a -1. I don't taste anything. And obviously when you add the barbecue sauce, there's a sweetness to it. So tastes like nothing. It's what I expected. All right, that'll be it.